Okay, guys, you're welcome to my. I hope you can see my screen. Yeah, so there's a site that I was working for a client. So the company is called Spark Craft Company. So they are positioning every Spark. So this is how the website is looking now. So yes, it's late. It's around 12:43. I started working it on Monday, but today I've been able to do something. Yes, I have some few things to do though, but this is what I have. So it has the home feature. It has the about. You can see it's compiling and rendering because I use the new software update for it. That is the new React and TypeScript for it. So we are seeing something like this. So all these things are going to be changed soon. So I have the about section. Let's have a look at the about. So precision every spark, precision welding and metal fabrication solution. So this is the about section. So I have a fabrication shop, shaped by precision, safety and pride. We help contractors. So like yeah, the images are changing because of copyright and stuff. So the leads, fabricator and everything, those names will also be changed. Then let's go to services. So basically, much details were not given to me, so I decided to craft my head a bit around it. So I'll show this to him. So if there are any changes he wants to do, then he does that. So this is what I have for him for now. So let's say this is just a prototype page of what I'll be doing, and this is the projects he has worked on to like on the phone, which I'm sure he has done more. So, but I'll leave this ones here, and I have the contact. I have the contacts here. So I tried doing something small with the contact. Let's see if that will work. So let me input my name here. Let's say I want custom metal works. So let's say so I decided to place a agent called message here just in case if people need some reply quickly. So I decided to add a map to it and yes, there's a quick answer. So Q&A, so before any other thing, yes. So let me see if I can send myself some mail. So quotation, quote. Oh, why did your thing go away? Okay. So I want custom metalworks quotation. I will share that later. So let's see if we can request for a quotation. Okay, yes. So I was having error with this. So I guess I have to work on the public key later. Apart from that, I guess everything should be working. Let me check the email part. Okay, the email part is working.